In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split images for Instagram grid in Canva. Creating an eye-catching Instagram grid can be a fun and creative way to make your profile stand out, and with Canva, this process is straightforward and effective. Let's dive right in. First, open up Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's free to set up. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top to create a custom design. Since Instagram posts are square, you'll want to set your dimensions to 3240 by 1080 pixels. This size allows you to split your larger image into 3 smaller squares seamlessly. Now, you'll need to upload the image you'd like to split. Find the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, click it, and then choose Upload Media to bring your photo into Canva. Once it's uploaded, just drag and drop it onto your blank canvas to start designing. With your image on the canvas, you'll want to ensure it fits perfectly across the 3 squares. To do this, use the grid function, which can be found on the left panel under Elements. Look for the 3-square grid option. Click on it, and it will automatically add 3 equally sized squares to your canvas. You'll need to adjust your image to fill these. Position and scale your image so that it fits nicely within the 3 squares. Click and drag the corners to resize it, while holding Shift to maintain the aspect ratio. Be sure to check that nothing important is cut off and each square looks visually appealing when viewed alone. Once you're satisfied with your layout, it's time to download each section. In Canva, you'll use the download button at the top right of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose the file type you want. PNG is usually a good choice for image quality. Now, instead of downloading the entire file, you're going to select Choose Pages and then download each page individually. Here, since you have 3 squares, ensure each page corresponds to the correct section of your image. After downloading them separately, you have your 3 individual images ready to upload to Instagram. For that seamless grid effect, make sure to post them in the correct order on your Instagram feed. Start with the 3rd image, move to the 2nd, and finish with the 1st. This will help ensure your followers see the complete picture as intended. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create an intriguing Instagram grid using Canva that showcases your brand or story in a fresh and engaging way. Thank you for tuning in, and happy posting!